see the second beard?
Yes.
Oh my god.
We'll go catch some spoonbills.
Oh yeah. It's crapping in.
We are back together. I'm with Damon again, which means we might not kill anything until the day I leave. It's a beautiful day to hit the turkey woods. It is April 7th, so season's been open for a day and a half now. I've been a good boy and waited for my buddies to get in town so we could try to film this all. We're trying to shoot some heads off with the new DirtyBird, and it is currently 3:51. We're headed to an OG spot of mine where we've killed a lot of turkeys in the afternoon. We're just gonna go see what's hanging around. Moultrie's been telling us that the birds are there, so I know they're around somewhere. We just gotta talk dirty to them and get them to come into some decoys.
She's seen a lot of heads come off. Morning one. Morning one.
Morning one. A little windy. A little tired. Stayed up a little late. But we're ready to party. I feel good about it. I think I got all my things. Probably not. But I think we're good to go. Let's do this.
Just like dude, he's got two beards. He's got two freaking beards, bro. Oh no.
That killed it.
He's got two beards, bro. Oh. Did you see the second beard?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Brother, that happened.
That was
so
intense, dude. I just looked up and was like, what the heck? Oh my god, dude. He's got two beards. You could see it clear as day, bro. Stone dead. No way, dude.
That's so cool.
No way.
Blade still intact?
Dude, that thing's perfect. You just shoot that 7 more times.
We got one.
right across this field up the hill. Goblin, I don't know if you can hear that. We got like 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts right now. Decoys are holding on for dear life, but fingers crossed. We had a silent morning, so finally got one to gobble after the past 2 days. Hopefully he wants to work in. We can cut a head off, put this dirty bird to work. Alright, here we are. We have one less dirty bird in the quiver and no turkey, so it happens.
The things we do for turkeys.
What's the update?
The update is I'm tagged out. It is 4:31. Logan missed at 2. Dang it. She's gonna go kill one here in the next 38 minutes. That's what I'm calling.
Bet the decoy's a little closer for you. Are you excited?
I am.
What's your name?
Sarah.
What's your date of birth?
Why do they need to know that?
What's your social security number? Oh, look, see, this is why Logan needs to be here. Look at that. Oh, you freaking come on.
I don't know what I'm saying.
This is my beautiful girlfriend, Zarin. She's had a rough go at turkeys the last 2 years. So we brought her out here today. I helped the owner of this place with his cows this afternoon. And I was like, let's go kill a turkey. So we came out here, beautiful cattle pasture. I knew the birds were here. We set up, waited maybe hour, 2 hours, made some calls. And finally, we heard them gobble. I thought they were actually behind us. but they ended up being right here. It took them a little bit. I think it kind of, this hill, they couldn't really see the decoys. But once they did, they just slowly marched in like they were king of the castles. And we had a little mishap when we were drawing the first time. Zarin shot the roof of the blind, but we recovered. And she got her first turkey with the DirtyBird broadhead from G5. And it was badass.
Feel the rush, feel the fire pulling you in. Like a live wire humming under your skin. Don't let it fade.
So out of breath.
Don't let it fade. 'Cause we're too close now to play it safe.
It's the party time where you get some tunes going, hook some big fish, get our drag pulled. Gotta hydrate first though.
Dave and I we're all lathered up, showing off our paleness.
Carry us away. You're chasing that
That was easy.
chasing that feeling.
What you love to see. Pull my drag.
Feel the highway ahead, pulling us in.
Just feels like a piece of concrete, like you're reeling in a tire that runs.
Dude, I don't know.
Catching fatties. Look at this thing. Look at that. It's like a freaking whale. Oh shit.
Sunshine carry us away.
Warming up.